Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. From some time now, I've been thinking of shooting some of my comfort foods. So here we are. Today we'll be making poha, which is flattened rice. It's a breakfast recipe and I typically pair it with a hot cup of tea. So it's like the perfect combination for weekend breakfast. The list of ingredients is pretty small, so it's not going to take us more than 15 to 20 minutes to make this. I hope you'll like it. So let's get started. So we'll need 2/3 cup chopped onions, 1/4 cup roasted peanuts, half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, lemon, 1 tablespoon chopped coriander, 3/4 teaspoon salt, half cup diced potatoes, and 1 cup poha or flattened rice. To make this dish, we'll start by heating some oil in a pan. To this we'll add half teaspoon mustard seeds and 2/3 cup chopped onions. Saute this on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Now we'll add half cup diced potatoes and saute for 3 more minutes. Time to add salt and turmeric powder. Now we'll saute it for a few more minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll add a dash of water. This would help in removing any pockets of salt or turmeric powder. Now we'll add 1/4 cup roasted peanuts. It's time to wash our flattened rice. So the way I do it is, I rinse it directly under a tap for 15 to 20 seconds. So see here, I am making sure that I drain all the water out. So when I put it in the pan, there is no water residue and poha doesn't become soggy. Now I'll mix all this together and let poha saute for 2 more minutes. Now we'll add a dash of lemon and 1 tablespoon coriander. Poha is ready and I'll serve it with a hot cup of tea. So let's try it. So good. The peanuts and the lemon actually bring out really nice flavor. If you like spicy food, you can actually add some green chilies to it. So do try this at home and I hope you like it as much as I do. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this video. Thank you for watching.